like I need a bottle of champagne today. I want to drink out of a champagne bottle. Yes, darling. Oh, darling.
Progressive.
What is up, everybody? My name is Jeannide and I got what you need, baby. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Thank you to my subscribers for supporting me. You know, seriously, we're close to 1K. Okay, so that's a huge milestone. Today we are doing this look. Okay, this nice classic bourgeoisie classy look, maybe with the lashes, maybe it gives a little stripper vibes a little bit. We're going to be doing the bomb challenge today. So the bomb challenge, BOMB, pretty much stands for Black Owned Makeup Brands. So we will be creating a look today, this look per se, using Black owned makeup brands. So that's exciting. It's sad that, I mean, at least we're doing a second wave of this bomb challenge, but it's sad that like a tragedy had to be like pretty much a catalyst for this trend. Anyways, y'all, just support your black businesses. Support Juneteenth. Please do not support July 4th. I've been saying this for years. First, like, July 4th is not for us. We need to be celebrating Juneteenth. That needs to be a holiday for us. It should be a federal holiday. We should get the day off. Have cookouts that day, Juneteenth, June 19th. Make sure also that you guys vote July 7th. Down below, I will also insert a link for donations, petitions, you know. If you haven't noticed, I've actually had that link for weeks now. For my past few videos already, I've already had that link in, but I haven't actually said it out loud. So yes, that link is down below. And I know that some petitions already like met their goals, I guess for George Floyd. But RIP to everyone who lost their lives at the hands of those pigs. My eyelash. I hope that this lash is on correctly, but yeah, it's really sad that these tragedies that we've had to endure pretty much in Amerikkka. Triple K. Child. It's sad that had to be a catalyst for the second wave of this Black-owned makeup brand challenge. You know, for like each step of your makeup process, I didn't have pretty much Black-owned brands for some of those steps, pretty much. So I didn't have like a primer that was Black-owned. So I went and got me like primers, so whatever was missing. I got those items at my drugstore, ready. I got a lot of Black Opal. Honestly, it's Black Opal. So I'll be trying out Black Opal for the first time for this video. Pretty much, yeah, we got a lot of new Black Opal products. Full face of pretty much Black Opal, Juvia's Place, Fenty Beauty. If you want to see that, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Black Lives Matter. If all lives did matter, then these things wouldn't be happening, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna say more. Stay tuned to the video. Thanks for watching. Roll the clip. We are going to do the Black Owned Makeup Brand Challenge today. I got some new products, particularly from Black Opal. You know, now it's Black owned. It wasn't Black owned before, but now it's owned by 2 Black women now, as if earlier this year, 2020. So I got the Invisible Oil Blocking Gel Primer. I will be applying, well, it says it's for oily skin, and honestly, yes, I'm refilming this video because I lost a lot of my footage. It says that it's for oily skin, but since I guess because of my skincare routine, I'm like extra glowy and oily, it seemed to work well for me, actually. Let's see if it looks like, okay, so it actually does look like jelly, like a jelly consistency. Because yesterday when I like first squirted it out the bottle, it was like water. I saw water. It was water that came out first, then gel. I was like, what is going on? So it says use sparingly. I might have used a little too much. I remember using a little less than this yesterday, to be honest. I think so. I think that's what I did. I feel like it was like a little less. The directions actually do say to let it sit for like a minute before applying foundation. I'm gonna add concealer, but in the meantime, let's do the big reveal. It's okay. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in my foundation shade 385, and I'm just going to color correct with it. To be honest, this is exactly what I did yesterday. What I did yesterday, I pretty much put it almost all over my face yesterday. I was like, oh, I just need a little bit. I don't need much, but I ended up putting it like a lot of places. I mean, actually, when I blended it out, it spread everywhere. Pretty much, that's what happened. So this is an old acne scar, an old acne mark from, like, you know, that big zit I had for my skincare video. Now it's just a mark. The huge red pimple is gone though. So what else? I'll do here, around my lip. I shaved this morning, but I have a little something up here. Not here, but like, you know, the shadow. You know, this. Well, I see a little mark right here too. What's that? It's kind of good that I'm redoing this. Because yesterday, like, the foundation was like, it stopped right here. I did not blend it all the way up to my forehead. Like, I should have, ciao. Or at least use like my contour shade to like blend it up to my hair. Like, you know what I mean? But if I had like a contour powder that was a black owned makeup brand, I would have used that. I would have done that. I don't have that. I have Black Radiance. But Black Radiance obviously isn't black owned. Honestly, there should be some kind of penalty for that, because that's very misleading. Like, there's so many makeup brands that are marketed towards, you know, us, but obviously they're not black owned. And not just because they're marketed towards us, they'll put black in the name. Like, they'll put black in it, like Black Radiance. It's annoying. You know what's crazy? Yesterday, I'm gonna put like a tiny bit of Juvia's Place. So this is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in the shade Akka 330. I hope this isn't too much either. So yeah, I used like a tiny bit of foundation yesterday. I really did. This might even be a little more than what I used yesterday. Now when I think about it, maybe, we'll see. But yeah. So I feel like there should be some kind of penalty. I don't know. And double ACP needs to like sue Black Radiance, these other companies with black in them. I mean, now Black Opal is owned by 2 black women, but I would have said Black Opal too. But yeah, because that's not right. That's not fair. They're not even black owned, but they look like they're black owned. They really do. Goodness gracious. Look at it. Look at the neck. Look at the neck. Looks like it's blended well into the neck and everything. But yeah, I've been blending this foundation for a minute. I was like, yo, we need to make sure this is well blended. Because yesterday, that was, you're gonna see in the next clip. But I know that I fixed it before I did the intro and outro. Because I was like, I noticed before I filmed the intro and outro, I noticed that there was like a line of demarcation. So I was like, child, let me blend it up a little more. So that's that. Now, my tried and true Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 13. I love this shade. I really do. I'm really gonna go to the mall. I know I'm going to the mall Tuesday. I know that I need a new setting spray, so I might go to MAC and get me a new setting spray. Speaking of setting sprays, which black owned makeup brand carries a setting spray? I feel like there isn't one. I mean, Pat McGrath probably does, but you know, my setting spray is probably $70, and I'm actually, yeah, I'm most likely gonna put concealer on my lids. So the foundation, so the eyeshadow can stick onto the concealer. So I have the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills Color Collection palette. I only use credit. This is all I used for my look. These 2 brushes, I got them from wish.com. They don't have any names, I'm sorry. But I'm using this. This is the fluffiest brush that I own. This is obviously going to be to blend out the edges of that one eyeshadow. And I'm going to just put this eyeshadow in my crease. So, so I'm starting from the outsides. That's how I blend. Start from the outside. Foundation brush and just blend out the edges, because there was like major lines of like demarcation. So I'm going to take the Black Opal True Color Soft Velvet finishing powder and, you know, just apply it to those areas that I highlighted. So this is my first purchase of this powder. It's in the color Neutral Light 200. Every time I go to Sephora, they always say I'm some kind of neutral undertone. So I'm like, whatever. Let me actually try a neutral setting powder, you know? She's like, dark, is it too light or not too light, but too dark? No, it's okay. This is a very neutral undertone. It's very neutral. Oh, it's fine. I honestly think it's because of the lighting in here. The lighting in here is not good. So, oh, this is fine. This should be fine for me. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Oh God, yeah, this is this is neutral. Yeah, that's what neutral looks like. Gray, almost. Oh, it goes into my skin though. Like it really. Oh shoot. It's like it reminds me of the Sacha Buttercup a little bit. It doesn't sit on my skin. It really like just gets in there. Ooh, okay. I've done a neutral not neutral, but the undertone test. I have both blue and green veins, so I guess I'm neutral. No, I really love the way my under eyes look right now though. I really do. Oh my God. Wait. I'm impressed. Oh my gosh. So let me add a little more to the side. Oh my goodness. So while I let this sit, I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to contour using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation stick in the shade Zambia. I usually don't cream contour, but since I have a black owned cream contour, I might as well for this black owned makeup brand tutorial. Yeah. I was like toodaloo, toodaloo, and I just get hot. Ooh, I know, just can't like it. I want to take my foundation brush, the brush that I used to apply foundation, and blend out my contour. It'll help with making everything look a little bit more seamless anyway. Since I used foundation before that, you know, it'll blend easier that way is what I'm saying. Look at this, she snatched. That's it, point blank period. Why did I purchase this one? Because this has like a red undertone. I mean, we're wearing red. We'll be wearing a red lip. Maybe it'll all come together. We'll see. I'm like trying to get like the area of the foundation brush that I didn't use the contour, so I could really blend out the edges, because that edge looks so freaking harsh. Actually, let me just use my finger instead, because I do not want it to get on the highlighted area. Like, what? Yeah, I don't think I've ever used a powder with like this kind of undertone. I'm over here being extra with this powder, y'all. Like, I'm just ugh. Especially since we, you know, had that cream contour. Like, let's make that defined line. Like, chow. This is a highlighted area. Okay. So I got the Fenty Pro Filter setting powder, instant retouch setting powder, the shade Honey. Be using this all over my face. This is the Cheeks Out Frago Flush Cream Blush by Fenty Beauty. I'll be, you know, just putting this on. I saw Shayla's video yesterday with the black owned makeup brands, and she used like a very dense like brush like this, something that looked like this, and I was like, okay. And then she applied it on and it looked pretty pigmented, so I was like, child, let me try this instead of using fingers. And then I'm gonna, this is what I use for all of my face. I'm gonna set it, I guess set it, fake set it with the leftover, I guess, powder that could be on it. Okay, so I'm going to use lipstick. So this is a Black Opal Color Splurge liquid lipstick in the shade Dynamo. This says patent lips. What does that mean? This had covered everything, so don't play with me. I actually really needed like a red lipstick that was a blue red. I don't have a blue red, so I had to get this. This smells like lip gloss. I guess it's not a matte liquid lipstick. It looks pretty glossy. I feel so mature with this ponytail, this red lip, subtle eyes. We're putting on eyeliner, baby. A lot of people know how to put on eyeliner, but this is not black owned. So I always start from the center of my eyelid. I'm not even gonna speak. Okay, hold on. Let me concentrate. Ooh. Yes, a bold red lip, a bold liner, baby. Okay, hold on. Vibe. This is the vibe that I wanted today, to be honest. This is it. Oh God, I look like I need a bottle of champagne today. I want to drink out of a champagne bottle. Yes, baby. Oh God, I look so sophisticated. Yes, darling. Oh, darling. Yes. I'm here for it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Shout out to Reme Hair Collection. I hope I'm saying it correctly, but this is in the style Blank. These are some stripper lashes. I look like a stripper. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie like we. Because you see this shirt, and then the hair, and then the lashes. These are some stripper lashes. I ain't even gonna hold you. I look like a stripper now. Shoot, we went from looking like a bougie girl to like, child, let me shake my money maker. Would you like a lap dance, sir? I'm going to use, yes, the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Child, don't mess up my edges. We don't need those problems. But we have a highlight. We have the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter. Where did you mean money today? This one right here. We look good. You're gonna see my lashes from across the room, you know? Oh my God, you're just gonna see my lashes? Like, my lashes will introduce themselves before I even open my lips. A little something on my chin, just a little something. Just a little something on my chin, just a little something. I hope these eyelashes don't look crazy on camera though. I should probably pause. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, my battery died and it's been some hours, but this is the finished look. It took me a long time for me to actually put these on properly. These lashes by Reme. So these lashes, they're called Blank It by Reme Hair Collection. Shout out to you, girl. Like, honestly, I love the packaging. Love these lashes. Oh my God, I just look so freaking good today, y'all. I just look so big. Black owned brands, honey, okay? For a black beauty, okay, honey? So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you for tuning in for this look using black owned makeup brands. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.